Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the monthly, daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline on the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we ever start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals. Also, we kill it in the Bitcoin. Even you can benefit from those things with us. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the monthly candle here, it finished. It's very bad news here for long-term investors. Me being hoping it's going to happen like that, but it gave us here a big engulfing candle. If we came and we zoom it like that and we see it, what it gave us here, an engulfing candle here. Now, should we be worried here because that candle here, it's breaking the 50 moving average like how it happened here. Now, what should we do? We need to wait in another month if a green candle to come to break that level here. If it's not, it's more going down. So till now everything's still looking very bad here in the monthly. Another thing here, look with me here, if you came historical here from that level here or that one here, and you're doing a trend line like that, that's the long term trend line. Also, we touched that time here, but now here market to tell us like how it happened here, it's need to go up to break the last high, which is here. Now the last high is it up here between 60k to 70k, so it's need to go more room to go up. Now for long term Bitcoin historical, it's still very healthy. The only thing now, those corrections, they always happening like how it happened here. As you see it, we spend months here, the bottom it's been down here, but we do like that, then we spend months here, then after that jump up. Same thing, I tell it to you in the start of August. I told you August and September, they always read months, and that's what's happening here. Historical in Bitcoin, August and September, they are always red months. Now August it finished, it's been a red month. Now let's see the next month how it's going to be. So here we don't need to explain more. Now it's going to analyze the coming news for today, guys. So it's going there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that's the news we got today. We got that one here, the average hourly earning of USA, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, ISM manufacturing, and ISM manufacturing price. Those ones, you need to focus about them, unemployment rate and ISM, because ISM is going to tell you if the US dollar is going to fall down or not. And here, it's showing it's going to fall down. That means the ISM is being pivoting like that, because if you see in historical, it used to be more lower than that. If it came like that, like how is it here, 47, that means US dollar is going to fall down, because US dollar is going always against the economic of USA. When manufacturing they doing well, US dollar is falling down. When manufacturing and all the economic of USA doing bad, US dollar is going up. So that's what we need to focus about. Then here we got that friend of us, the table of us we analyze it every day, guys. As you see it here, the US stocks today, all of them they being red, no one of them is being green here. You can watch it in our other channel. The name of the channel is Index Insider. You can go there and watch all the indices, the SP 500, the Nasdaq, and the DXY or US dollar. And down here is our friend is the VIX. As you see it, it's still very low. That mascara is still very low. There is nothing to be worried. The only thing that falling down on that monthly close like that, something bad, that way us we worried till now. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily, guys. In the daily, in yesterday video used to be here in that place here. I told you me I enter a short and I'm going to go with it. That's what's happening exactly. Me I enter from the top here. I told you why I enter, because of the trend line here, and also we just touching the top of it here, the 200 moving average and all those things. Look at it where we are today. We fall down to where we started from. We started from down, we go up here. Now we go back where we started from. That the bad news will have that candle wait till next week or whatever. But that the market is telling us also we're still in a downtrend. That the only thing I can tell you till now. Another thing, in yesterday video I show you that trend line like that. I told you, look at what the market done here. He break the trend, he go back to test it here. Now it need to break the last low for us to know the market is going to reverse and to go more down, or the market to give us here a price action, to give us here like a double bottom or something here. Then also we're going to enter a long, but till now here in the daily there is nothing. Me, I told you, me I got a pending order here to buy, another one here, another one here, and I'm still waiting if they are going to get triggered or no. As you see them, how I draw them here, here, and here. Well, even you can do the same thing. Let's see that indicator of us, what it's saying here in the daily, guys. That indicator of us, guys, as you see it, we're being here at the oversold area. That way us we enter long, but it came here to that level here. Then it showed that reverse. Now we need to focus at the 4 hours if we are going to touch the oversold area or no. Then after that we're going to enter a long. Now me, I'm still waiting and I'm ready to enter a long. I will be honest with you, I'm ready to enter a long. Only thing I'm waiting, the market to confirm that for me in 4 hours, in 30 minutes, no matter where it is, I'm going to enter a long. Till now I'm still waiting, and for the people that are in my Telegram and my Discord, I give them signals, so even you can join us there and benefiting from all those signals. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, may I enter from here when we touch the top of the 200 moving average. People in my Telegram and my Discord, they can tell you that we make very, 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 very nice profit. Now look at us where we are. We are down here. Let me show it to you. We are down here at that very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Now here the market, he give us here a small pin bar. But me, I don't follow candles. Me, I don't trade by candles, because candles majority of the times they give you fake signals. Me, I trade by price action. Now the price action, me, I'm still waiting. Either that one here, as you see it, or another price action here, like how it happened here, because that one here, me, I don't want to say it, because me, I enter a short already in 30 minutes. When it's breaking here, we'll have you enter short till down here. But that one here will make me to say it's not yet, because now here, if you came and you do it like that, and you came here in the top and you do it like that, you got here a triangle in 4 hours, as you see it, from down here, here, and here, and in the top here, and here, and here. That means even if it's it for only a trend, in the top is 3 times, as you see it, first, second, and that one here, the third, and down here is 3 times, as you see it. Now that one is very, very stronger, no matter where it's getting broken. If it's broken down, that means the market is going to fall down more. If it's broken above, the market is going to reverse. It's going out to see our indicator, what it's saying. That one here, you remember when we are here and we are in the 200 moving average, that way me I be looking for short. Now at that level here, me I will not enter from now. That way me I told you, I'm still waiting that one to touch here, oversold area. Then after that I'm going to looking for a buy. If it doesn't, I'm going to wait it even 2 months or 3 months. I'm not going to enter unless if it touch here, that level here at the oversold area, like how it happened before. Here we enter a long, like how it happened here, we enter a short. That's how us we trade. Now I'm still waiting, and now that indicator of us is telling us the bears, they still controlling the market. There is no bulls. Look at it, just came upstairs, then quickly go back down. That means the bears, they still in control and they still taking all the control for that market. That market telling us we are still in a downtrend. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what is saying. Here it is, that indicator of us. You remember it in yesterday video, you can just go back and watch it. I told you us we are here at that level here. We need to enter a short, and that's what's happened here. Look at it, it fell down today. Now at that level here, shall we enter long? Not yet. That one, it hasn't touched down the oversold area, so us we still waiting. That one here, in that level where we are, as if we are here before that big dump happening. So now maybe the market is going to stay sideways because Saturday and Sunday, you know it. Then after that, maybe we're going to see a major dump, more than that. So guys, everything is very, very bad here in the 4 hours. But also we day trade it in smaller time frames. So let's go in there to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. It's just here. A thumbs up in that place here. Go and smash it, please. You done it? And write down a comment. Tell us your thought, what you thinking about the Bitcoin. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in the Bitcoin, also we enter a short from here because of the double top there. You can just go back 2 or 3 videos. You're going to find it. Now here, I'm looking to enter a long. Why? I'm going to explain to you everything in that video. I'm looking to enter a long because look at that level. Also, we are in a very, very, very stronger level. I know some people, they enter from levels like that, but me is not that my cup of tea. Let's make it like that. Me, I'm waiting the price action to confirm for me, like how it happened here. Now here, the market in that level where we are, I'm going to show you something extra here. It's our indicator. Look with me here. If you see in that one here, like that, compared to that one here, you got a divergence, guys. You see it or no? That way me till now, I'm still waiting to enter a long. Now here at that level here, market he tried to give me here a double bottom. Even if it's very small, if you go lower to 5 minutes or something, it's going to be more clear. Shoulder enter long now. If it's breaking the neckline, if it's breaking, yes, I'm going to enter a long because me, that's my style. Because I am in a very, very stronger level, guys. You see it or no? And look at that triangle I just show you in the 4 hours. You see it or no? Look at it here and look at it here. Look at it down here and look at it down here. Now if you are more conservative, you can wait the break to happen here in that level here. But me, if it give me here that double bottom here, I'm going to enter because if I enter from here, the stop loss of me is going to be very, very, very small here. And if the market move up, I'm going to catch very, very nice entries. Like last time I enter from here, stop loss it used to be just here. And me, I enter from here. Look how many points I catch. You get it or no? Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. And if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.